In this video, I'm going to build an AI DM reply system for LinkedIn, a Chrome extension that lets me highlight a message, right-click and generate a better reply using my own business context. The problem with normal AI replies is not the model. The problem is that AI does not know your business, your offer, your tone, and what are you trying to achieve in this conversation. Now, let's try how it will answer these questions. So generate DM reply. Now this is much better. Now you can see that on the right side we have the whole chat. Hey, absolutely always happy to connect with people building something. What kind of work are you doing right now? And this is the reply that we have. Let's choose GPT-5 mini again. Save settings. Let's refresh once. Generate a DM reply. GPT-5 mini is giving much better answers. So I'm going to include the prompt file for the building of this extension. And also I will include the extension in a zip straight away into the free community. So you can go in the link in the description and download it for free. So the build plan is going to be simple. Chrome extension, saved business context. Right click, we're going to select, highlight the message and right click it. Then we're going to route it to OpenRouter API. So we're going to choose different LLM models. AI will reply the output. We'll review and copy and paste it. We will build it with Claude code today, and we will follow this architecture. So select the DM context, OpenRouter, and reply. That's it. These are the files that we're gonna need. Claude code will create them straight away. We will fill our business context into the extension. Then we will test. We will highlight, right click. It has to show on the extension that we can generate a reply, and it has to generate it using our context and the highlighted text. So we can highlight the whole chat as well. What this will help us to do, it will make a better replies, can ask one useful question to people, give one practical next step to them, for example. It will sound more human because it has our tone, and we can avoid hard selling, for example, too early. And the free file and prompts will be available in the free community from the link below. And if you want full systems, you can join the Mura AI Academy. Let's jump to Claude Code and start building. This is the prompt that I will use. Build a real local Chrome extension called Mura AI DM reply. Goal is to highlight a message or a full chat on the web page, right click it and choose generate DM reply, and get an AI written reply that uses my saved business context. And we are given just some technical requirements and etc. So before coding, briefly explain your file plan, then create the files. Always tell this to your models because you're gonna see the full plan and reasoning that the model is doing. So see what it's gonna try to build before spending all of the tokens and everything. So let's go and send it. We will build it with Fable 5, and it has straight away built the extension. It had finished it in 2 minutes. So let's see what we have to make now. We're gonna open our extensions, manage extensions, and here on the left side you can see load to impact. I have chosen the app Mura AI reply, and it's on. Highlight a message, right click and generate AI written DM. Now I am on LinkedIn. I'm just gonna highlight some comment of some post. I want to see if it is working. Here is the Mura DM reply, so I'm gonna pin it. Let's click it. OpenRouter API key. How are we gonna get it? We have to go to OpenRouter website. Go to Google, just write OpenRouter. If you don't have a registration, make a registration and go to your profile, and on the left side you're gonna see API keys, and just create a new key. I'm gonna make it a DM extension key. I will not set an expiration, and click create and copy the key. Paste the key here where it says OpenRouter API key. Then here we have to input our business context, offer, target audience, tone of voice, and reply rules. So because I have my second brain agent on my PC, I'm just gonna ask my agent to give these things for my context. Your one, you can fill them manually, or you can go to the free community and install your AI agent to your Claude or Codex, and it will ask you the right questions in order to build your second brain and business context, so you can use it in order to build your online business. Link is down in the description. So let's get these filled, and then we'll save the settings. So because this is my agent that I am using currently, even for building and everything, So I'm just gonna give these answers so I can input them straight away into the extension, and I'm just putting the questions. So you have to do the same thing and to fill them up. I have filled my settings now, and for model it says ChatGPT 5 mini. I'm gonna keep it now, but I'm gonna tell it so I want to have a drop down here in order to be able to choose a model. Save these settings, settings saved. Now let's see, I'm just gonna highlight, right click, generate a DM reply. Now generating reply, and this is the reply that our agent is giving us. Totally get you, faster is greater, but responsibility stays with it. Short tips, have the Claude agent draft messages. So these are the things, and you can regenerate or have the settings. I like this thing, so we can copy the reply and just come here and reply to this person. Now let's test it. I'm gonna highlight straight away the full chat here. I'm gonna highlight it like this, just right click, generate a DM reply, and let's see what kind of reply it's gonna generate for us to give. Yes, happy to. I built Claude AI agents that handles offers, content, DMs, and etc. Just come here and paste it and send it. That's it. And it looks really good as I would have written it. So I like that it is open in a new window. Everything is okay, but I want to be able to choose the models that I'm going to use in the DM replies with some drop down, and it will work perfectly. And for business context, for example, I want to be able to upload markdown files, for example. And also one more thing, because once I highlight now, it is open in a new window where it is showing that is generating the reply, and to copy it and etc. I want it to be kind of a pop-up window in the same page if it can be, and it has to be flexible to move around, and I can just keep it on the page and use it. So this will be better, I think. Reason about it, and tell me if I am missing some pieces and fill them, and if I'm not missing anything, build it please. Let's see what Fable is gonna build for us. And this is one of the ways that you can use Fable 5 now in your last day, because 7th is gonna be taken off from the subscriptions, but later it's gonna come back, so they have mentioned it already. And you can build a lot of tools for yourself, for your business. If you are making, for example, screenshots always of our websites and etc., you can build Chrome extensions like this, some custom tools that you are using every day. You can connect them to your context, your agents, your APIs, and etc. And these are the ways that you can use really good AI models to ease your business and double your productivity. Let's go back. It is done, and once you update it, you have to just go to the extensions, manage extensions. We're gonna remove this and load unpacked, and we will load the same folder. Then we have it now. Let's go to the extensions settings. Let's pin it. Go to the extension settings again. Just fill the API key, and now we have a drop down. We can choose GPT-5 Mini, HiQ, Gemini, etc. Let's choose HiQ this time, and we can put straight away business contact files, markdown or text. Or we can fill in again the same thing. So I'm just gonna try the file. Now the things that you have written for my business context, can you make them in one markdown file so I can upload it please? And also include that it has to write as a human would write in a DM reply, and to not use M dashes. Now let the agent create my context file. I have just dragged and dropped my business context file, and this is the file. So I have just dragged and dropped it here. I'm not gonna fill anything else. Just click Save Settings. Settings are saved. Let's try now how it will answer these questions. So generate DM reply. Now this is much better now. You can see that on the right side we have the whole chat. Hey, absolutely always happy to connect with people building something. What kind of work are you doing right now? And this is the reply that we have. Let's see if I put the context here in the business context, offer, target audience, and etc., if it's gonna give a different answer, because now it is just answering like a normal chat. It didn't use any of my context. So let's see if it's gonna work. I'm gonna remove this file. I have pasted all of the settings here. the context. So now I'm gonna mark again the same image, same chat, and generate a DM reply. So let's see, happy to connect. Maybe it's the model. So let's choose another model. Let's choose GPT-5 mini again. Save settings. Let's refresh once. Generate a DM reply. GPT-5 mini is giving much better answers. So let's see now if it's going to be able to give this answer with the file only. So we can make sure that the file is working. I'm saving the settings only with the file. I will refresh now and check. It is using the context, so it's really good. And we can copy the reply and paste it. Then you can make whatever you want. What other models we have? GPT 2.0 Flash. Let's check with Gemini because it's going to be cheap as well. Let's check another reply. GPT is giving this reply. Let's check GPT-5 mini again. So GPT-5 mini is so much slower than the other models, but for now it is giving the best answers. So it is straight away making our offer. And this is the build. So I'm going to include the prompt file for the building of this extension. And also I will include the extension in a zip straight away into the free community. So you can go in the link in the description and download it for free. I hope this video was helpful for you and give you with ideas how you can use good LLM models in order to build yourself tools and etc. So please make sure you like and subscribe and see you on the next video. Thank you.